Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up 2FA on Bitget. Right, it is actually pretty easy. All you got to do is just open up the application. Now go to the profile icon right here at the top left. Tap on it. Now what you're going to do is just find your username, and at the very far right, okay, you will have this right arrow key. Tap on it. And that once done, just find security, okay, under these tabs. Tap on it. And here, as you can see, we have a ton of verification methods, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, as you can see here, so far, I have enabled 6 out of 8 verification methods right here, or 2FA. So I already have passkey, my Google Authenticator, biometric. I don't think I have enabled this one. I'm just going to show you right here later. To set your 2FA, it is important, okay, that you at least have 3, okay, 3 or 4, aside from your email. What I meant for 3 and 4, maybe your passkey, Google Authenticator, mobile number, and a password. Okay, so let's just go ahead and test biometric authentication right here. As you can see, face authentication is enabled. Palm print authentication is disabled for me. Well, I can just go ahead and register palm print. Okay, right here. So I'm going to start. All right. Just basically follow simple prompts from here, okay? So once that's done, you can go ahead and set up your passkey right here, your biometrics, your fingerprint as well. I already set this up on another video, okay? But if you want to, you could just go ahead and add passkey, scan your fingerprint. You may already have your Google Pass or Samsung Pass, okay? Or your biometrics under your iPhone. You can go ahead and use that. You can just go ahead and scan once. Okay, Google Authenticator, this will be on another video. You can go ahead and check it out on the channel. This one is pretty easy to set up. Okay, so again, enter your mobile number, your login password, which is important, by the way. Also, you could go ahead and set up your anti-phishing code. Okay, so that's basically it. All you got to do is just follow simple prompt from each authentication right here. And that way you could go ahead and set up your 2FA here on Bitget. All right. So that is how you set up 2FA on Bitget. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.